Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss some interesting facts and solution regarding 5.3 channel. My dear student, I have just selected three questions: 432, 3456 and 927. And you can just see that in the given question it has been do that you have to check that it is divisible by 3 or not. If you have to test the divisibility by 3, then you know very well that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number must be divisible by 3. For these purposes, you need to add all the digits of the given number. And 4 plus 3 plus 2, you know very well that 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 is exactly divisible by 3, and this is why 432 must be divisible by 3. Similarly, in the case of 3456, you need to add all the digits which is given in this number. Actually, how much if you add together, then you get 4, 3, 7, 7, 5, 12 plus 6, 18. And you know that 18 is exactly divisible by 3. This is why this number must be divisible by 3. Third one is 9 plus 2 plus 7, and you know very well that 9 plus 2, 11 plus 7, 18, and 18 is exactly divisible by 3. So this number must be divisible by 3. My dear student, next question has been given, and you can just see that three questions, 616, and you have to check that these numbers are divisible by 9, and you can easily find out, and it can be just seen by the test of divisibility, that you know very well that some of the digits should be divisible by 9. So you can just see that sum of the digits 6 plus 1 plus 6, and what is 7 plus 6, and you know very well that 13, and 13 is not divisible by 9. So this number cannot be divisible by 9. So 616 is not possible, and you have to write down. You have to write in a statement. It is not divisible by 9 because 13 does not divisible by 9 exactly. After that, you can just see that 108, you have to just add all the digits and you get 9. Since 9 is exactly divisible by 9, so 108 must be divisible by 9. The third question, you can just see that some numbers have been given: 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. And my dear student, if you add all these digits of the given number, then it is equal to 36. And since it has been given 36, and you know that 36 is exactly divisible by 9, and this is why 36 must be divisible by 9. In the next question, you can just see that it has been given 57,248, and it has been given that what number should be added to its unit place. At first, you have to just check that which digits are placed at unit place. Actually, 8. 8 is placed at its unit place. What number should be? What number or digit should be added to 8 to exactly divisible by 5? And by the law, you know that any number which is divisible by 5, if its unit place is either 0 or 5. 0 and or 5, two conditions are, and now 8 change. you have to just try to add some digits. 0, then 8, 1, then 8 plus 1 is 9, 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, and its unit place is 0, my dear. Since its unit place is 0, so smallest digit is possible, that is 2. And next, if it has been given in the question that all possible values, then you know very well that 7 is another possibilities, because 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, and unit place of 15 is 5. So only 2 possibilities are either 2 or 7. According to this question, it has been given that you have to write down a smallest digit. And since it has been given a smallest digit, so a smallest digit, 2 and 7, if you compare, then a smallest digit is 2. So its right answer is 2. My dear student, now the next question is, a number has been given 21y5, and it has been said that it is a multiple of 9. Then it means in the table of 9 must this number belongs. And you know, any number which is divisible by 9, if the sum of digit must be divisible by 9. What it means? It means 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to how much? You can just see that 8 plus y. My dear student, up now it has been given that y is a digit. It is not variable. Y is a digit. Then what is the value of y in this case? If y is a digit, then what value is possible? You know that this number must be, sum of the digit must be divisible by 9. And you know that 9 ones are 9. So the least number is 9. And you know very well that 8 is added to 1 to get 9. So what least number is possible? The value of, you have to just write on the smallest value of y is equal to 1. Because when y is equal to 1, then this number must be divisible by 9. Sometimes in the question that it has also been given that what is the number, then write down the number. Actually the number will be 2115. 2115. If you add this number, if you verify this number is exactly divisible by 9, you can just see that 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5, how much? 9. And 9 is exactly divisible by 9. So this number must be divisible by 9. My dear students, now the question has been given that a number has been given 57258. Actually this number has been given and it is given in the question that it is divisible by 4, where a is a digit and you need to write down the value of a. Whatever it is given in the book is not clear that a smallest value or all digit value. So there is a fault in the book that don't be confused while solve the exercise, because in this exercise it has not been clear that a smallest value or all digit value. whatever, you have to just think yourself, or you can just find out the smallest value. What smallest value? You know very well that in place of A, how many digits are possible? 10 digits are possible. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because there are only 10 digits. And you know that by the definition of test of divisibility, what this law says, any number which is divisible by 4, if the number formed by the combination of the digit placed at unit and tens place must be divisible by 4. It means A4, because 4 is at ones place and it is at tens place. By their combination, the number is 4, they must be divisible by 4. So suppose that A is equal to 0. Then by the combination of ones and tens digit, the digit is formed 0, 4, and 0, 4 means 4, and this number is exactly divisible by 4. So one possibility is one value of A is 0, and you have to write this explanation in a statement that the value of A is possible 0 because the number is formed 0, 4, and which is exactly divisible by 4. If in the question it has been given that all possible values, then you have to just try for another digit. 1, in case of 1, 14 is formed, and you know that 14 cannot be divisible by 4. Next one is 2, then 24 is formed, and you know very well that 24 is exactly divisible by 4, and this is why second option is for you, that A is equal to 2. Similarly, you have to check all such number. 34, if you select 3, then 34, 4 then 44, 5 then 54, 6 then 64, 7 then the number formed by the combination, because 4 is already at unit place, 8 then 84, and 9 then 94. And let's check, is 34 is divisible by 4? No. So this possible, and 44, in case of 44 it is exactly divisible by 4. In case of 54, you can just see that 54 is not divisible by 4, and this is why it is not possible. In case of 64, you know that 64 is possible because 64 is exactly divisible by 4. 74 is not possible, but 84 is possible, 94 is not possible. So you can just see that all the possibilities in this case. Actually, in case of 0 is possible, in case of 2 is possible, in case of 4 is also possible. Then the next possibility is A is equal to 6, and last possibility is A is equal to 8. So when you put 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number must be divisible by 4. Hope you have to enjoy this session, and in next video I try to solve some more questions. Keep watching MGSS YouTube channel. Thank you very much.